Okay, so now we are going to start case study question number 42, and this question is based on surface areas and volume. A group of class 10 students went on a trip. The in charge of the trip is planned to stay in tents. They took canvas for the arrangement of two tents, okay, which is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by conical top. The height and the diameter of the cylindrical part is are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. So this is the tent and this is the layout, okay, with the dimensions. So now based on this condition, some questions are there. So we'll see the first question. Write the formula for total surface area of cylinder. Which option is the correct one? Total surface area, not with respect to this diagram. This is a general question.
2 pi r
2 pi r into r plus h.
2 pi r into r plus h. Right. Option A. Okay. Now the second question is related with the figure. Find the formula for finding the area of canvas used in one tent. See, when we find the area of canvas, this part will not take because this is the empty part and this part is the ground part. So सिर्फ हम लोग ये curved surface area of cone लेंगे और curved surface area of cylinder लेंगे. Okay, so what is the area of canvas used here?
2 pi rh
2
plus
pi
pi
r
rl.
plus pi rl.
Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Okay, so curved surface area of cone is pi rl and curved surface area of cylindrical part is 2 pi rh. So the correct option here is option A, right? Okay, now the third question. What will be the volume of tent if the conical part of tent has height capital H and radius capital R and the height of the cylinder H and base radius is same as of cone? What is the volume of tent?
1 by 3 pi capital R square into capital H plus pi R capital R square into H.
Okay, so volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi capital R square small h and volume of cone is, ठीक है, ये थोड़ा उल्टा लिखा हुआ है. This is written here and this is written here. So the correct answer is A bit, right? Option A. Now what is the ratio of volumes of two cylinders of radius 2 centimeter, height 5 centimeter and radius 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively? So what is the formula of volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h. So यहाँ पे radius और height दोनों अलग अलग दिया है. So we'll take pi r1 square h1 upon pi r2 square h2 and pi we can cancel it and r1 is 2, so 2 into 2 into 5 and r2 is 3, so 3 into 3 into 5. Here 5 is also we can cancel, so finally we'll get 4 upon 9. So which is the correct option?
Option D.
Right, option D. So now we are moving toward the last question. Find the area of the canvas used for making one tent used in the trip. Already we got the formula that the area of canvas used is 2 pi rh plus pi r. Right? So we can take common from these two. What we can take common?
Pi r.
Right. If we take pi r common, we will write this one first, 2h plus L. And the value of h, L and r it is given in the question. Okay. R का value 2 दिया हुआ है और h 2.1 है और slant height 2.8 है. So 2 into 2.1 is 4.2, right? And this will become 44 by 7 into 4.2 plus 2.8. ये कितना होगा? 4.2 plus 2.8, 7. और ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. So we'll get 44 meters square. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the last question of this case study question, and we'll see the next case study question in the next one. Okay. So thank you very much.